Hey, this is Chris Goff, and in this training video, I'm going to teach you in REIPro how to seller finance it from the owner and then turn around and sell and flip this property. Let's get into it. All right, so if we look at the purchasing assumptions here on a seller finance, we notice the ARV. This is what it would be worth in tip-top shape, $415. We're actually buying it for $285, square footage $1708, which gives you a cost per square foot $166. Now repair costs are going to be $48,000. Hedge expense is 10% of that, which would be $4,800. And this is that buffer expense I like to add in to all repair cost. It's going to take 2 months to repair. Other costs include holding costs, and you can always just hit this plus symbol and really define exactly each one of those. I'm just putting in a total cost for that one as well as closing cost as well. So property insurance, $4,500 a year. Taxes is $1,100. HOA is $200. Now, since we're financing it with the owner, we're having a loan amount of $285, and I put a down payment, so we would need that $5,000 down at 4% interest, amortized over 30 years with a 5-year balloon note. So that gives us up to 5 years to do something with. And although that my main goal here is to fix up the property and sell it, you always have to ask yourself, what happens if you can't? You could use another exit strategy. So you do have up to the 5 years. You could sell it tomorrow, or you can wait to the end of 5 years. Now, if we look at the sell side of it, we'll go back up to the top. Of course, we're going to ask for full price. Again, that could be negotiated down. Estimated months to sell would be 3, just to be on the safe side. Marketing cost at $500. And again, you can drop all these down and really define exactly what those are. I'm just putting in a total number there. And that would also include the realtor commission, that $27,000. As soon as you analyze it, you can see where your numbers lie. It also gives you, hey, reason to adjust your numbers. And that's the beautiful thing about REIPro is that, you got to get the numbers right. They always say fall in love with numbers, not houses. So this particular property, we would total net profit $29,000, 8% ROI, and cash on cash 36%. So you could print this as well as saving this to come back to it. And hope this training video helped, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.